then for photosynthesis, first a photon of light will hit, this is a photon, so a photon of light will hit will hit a chlorophyll that's surrounding photosystem 2.
Oh, and that's what your green little
Molecules
molecules are?
It would like come out and surround
Right,
photosynthesis.
all right.
So that excites a chlorophyll, which will then excite another one, and eventually the energy will get passed to chlorophyll that would be on the inside, in the middle of photosystem 2. And once it reaches the middle, an electron is then released, and they're passed to plastiquinone QB. So then 2 protons are then also picked up by the carrier. Two electrons then are lost from photosystem 2 and are replaced by the water splitting. So water splits, and then you get a molecule of oxygen, and then the other hydrogens or protons are released into the thylakoid space. So plastiquinone QB transfers the electrons and photons to cytochrome B6F. The protons are released into the thylakoid space. And then 2 more protons pump the electrons to plasticine, which is another carrier. I lost my electron.
At this time, please
Can you
note
wait
that your block
until Anna's done, okay?
class.
And are released, and so then those 2 are released, and those 2 hydrogens are released into the thylakoid space, while plasticine carries the electrons to photosystem 1. So the same thing in photosystem 2 happens in photosystem 1, where another photon of light will hit it, and it will excite the chlorophyll, and when it gets into the center, the electrons are passed to ferredoxin, which passes them into ferredoxin NADP reduction. And when that happens, 2 more hydrogens are released into the thylakoid space. So in ferredoxin NADP reduction, the 2 electrons along with the photon, this will open, along with a photon, give you NADPH. Yes.
Are you looking for something?
Did I put in some? Oh, here it is. NADPH. So then that releases the hydrogens, and so then that is what causes the gradient, which then causes the ATP synthase to turn, and the same thing that happens in cellular respiration for ATP synthase happens in photosynthesis.
Great. Is that it?
Yeah.
Good job.